And now, your live Doppler 18 forecast with meteorologist Cameron Hopman. Weather from where you live.
Well, clear skies and those warm temperatures, that's been the story so far today. And if you've stepped outside, you know exactly what I'm talking about. 80 degrees already, and things are still going to warm up throughout the rest of the afternoon. Winds right now from the southeast around 4 miles per hour, and that wind gust up around 18 at this point. And winds will continue to gust up near 30 miles per hour here over the next 3 to 4 hours. We're going to be seeing those winds pick up, and that's really going to help heat things up here over the next few hours. So we're talking about another day of those hot temperatures, upper 80s, even the low 90s for some portions of the viewing area. It's all thanks to the sunshine and those southerly winds. And then after that, we're talking about rain on its way for tomorrow. Scattered showers and thunderstorms with the possibility of some severe weather as well. Satellite radar over the last 12 hours shows you exactly what we've been dealing with, mainly clear conditions. A small area of high pressure continues to dominate Indiana and Ohio, while a low pressure system from our northwest continues to slowly drag to the east-southeast. Now, as that system does increase, or rather come closer to our area, we'll see some increased cloud cover throughout the afternoon. Partly cloudy to mostly clear skies still expected, so it's still going to allow us to heat up throughout the rest of the afternoon hours. Check out how this develops over the next 12 hours here. Notice that line of storms that moves across Illinois, but once it makes its way to the Indiana border, it kind of putters out. That's because we're going to be dealing with pretty much a stable atmosphere as opposed to Illinois' unstable atmosphere. So we have a slight risk of severe weather to our northwest throughout the day today, but our risk for severe weather comes tomorrow as that slowly makes its way through our region for tomorrow afternoon. Today's highs, we're looking at the low 90s and upper 80s. 90 degrees for Lafayette. That breaks a record set back in 1902. That was 86 back then. 89 in Monticello, 89 in Peru as well. So temperatures sitting well above average for this time of the year. We hit 86 degrees by 3 p.m., 90 by 5, and then we do cool off, if you can call 76 cool, by 10 p.m. Check out those winds, though, out of the south, anywhere from about 20 to 30 miles per hour at times throughout the evening hours. We do cool off to around 64 overnight tonight. Partly cloudy skies move in over the next few hours, and they stick around overnight tonight as well. That rain does begin to move in during the early morning hours tomorrow morning. Scattered showers, maybe a few thunderstorms. This will not be your severe threat. That comes later in the afternoon. As this frontal system passes by, we're going to be seeing plenty of moisture in the atmosphere. Warm temperatures once again, temps in the mid-80s. That's going to be perfect conditions for thunderstorm development. So we're expecting some pop-up thunderstorms, even though Futurecast may not show it quite as much as we want it to. Then some of those thunderstorms could, in fact, produce large hail and gusty winds for tomorrow afternoon. Scattered showers and thunderstorms with the chance of some severe weather. 85 your high temperature tomorrow afternoon. We eventually cool off into the mid-70s for the end of the weekend. Sunday we'll see 75 degrees before warming right back up into the mid-80s again for midweek of next week.